Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best magnetic wall sconce flashlight on the market, the iThird battery-operated motion sensor nightlights. These rechargeable wall sconces combine sleek modern design with impressive functionality, making them a fantastic addition to any home or outdoor space. First, let's talk about what makes these wall sconces stand out. Each unit features a built-in 2200 mAh rechargeable battery, so you never have to worry about wiring or constantly replacing batteries. Charging is super simple with the included USB cable. Once fully charged, these lights can last up to 5 months in motion sensor mode, depending on usage. That's some serious battery life for motion-activated lighting. The sensor technology itself is smart and adaptive. In daylight mode, the lights respond to motion both day and night. But when set to night mode, the sensors only activate in darker environments. They detect movement up to 16 feet away within a 120-degree range and automatically turn off after 20 seconds without motion. This intelligent sensor ensures that the lights conserve energy and only come on when you truly need them. Installation couldn't be easier. Thanks to strong built-in magnets, these sconces are completely wireless and require no electrician or complicated setup. You can mount the base on any smooth surface using the included screws or 3M adhesive. Then, the light simply snaps onto the magnetic base. What's even better is that the lights are detachable, allowing you to easily take them off for charging or use them as a portable flashlight whenever you want. In terms of brightness, these sconces deliver 200 lumens of warm white light at a comfortable 3000 Kelvin color temperature. This brightness is perfect for illuminating stairways, hallways, bedrooms, or even outdoor porches, helping to improve safety and visibility during nighttime hours. The warm light also creates a cozy atmosphere without being harsh on the eyes. The design itself is a modern blend of durable ABS plastic and acrylic with a stylish wood finish, which means these lights won't just function well, they'll look great in any setting. Their compact size, about 4 inches by 2.5 inches, makes them unobtrusive yet effective. What's more, these wall sconces offer versatility beyond just fixed lighting. Use them as bedside night lights, picture lights, or emergency lights during power outages. Their peel and stick design and portability make them an adaptable solution for almost any lighting need. The iThird motion sensor night lights also come with thoughtful touches like waterproofing, so they're suitable for indoor and outdoor use alike. And with the included mounting hardware and 3M glue, you have options to tailor the installation to your space. To sum it up, the iThird magnetic wall sconces provide a perfect balance of smart technology, ease of use, and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're lighting up a dark stairway, creating ambiance in a bedroom, or adding a practical flashlight to your home toolkit, these motion sensor lights offer excellent performance without the hassle of wires or frequent battery changes. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in hassle-free, rechargeable, motion-activated lighting with a sleek look, the iThird magnetic wall sconces are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you next time.